Hey entrepreneurs and future millionaires, we at Top Business Empire strive to give you valuable information that will help you grow your business, teach you alternative money-making methods, and allow you to become the best version of yourself. We do this by presenting the best and most accurate information about the top businessmen and women in the world. We will help you get an insight into their lives which you haven't seen before and in turn inspire you. Tap the link to claim your spot on your journey of growth by subscribing to our channel. We are the only channel dedicated to helping you expand your knowledge irrespective of how far you are on your journey. So far, we have helped inform hundreds of people gain new information and help them form opinions on subjects they weren't aware of beforehand. We cover a range of different topics, all within the business niche, from things you didn't know about Elon Musk or Bill Gates to the richest YouTubers, and side hustles that anyone can do. You can get all of this information and much more without having to research any of it yourself. We present information in an easy-to-digest format with visual aids to stimulate your brain. All you have to do is sit back and relax while it all sinks into your mind. On our channel, we debunk all the myths about different business practices that people get wrong all the time, which sabotage their success when it comes to learning about these subjects. Tap the link to subscribe to our channel so you can learn from the greats of the world, to beat the competition while becoming a better you in the process.